We've been with RepairPal for about 12 years at this point. I think we started with our Columbia location in 2011. Well, I would say it brings in a variety of traffic depending on the location. There's could be as many as 10 to 15 customers that would never come to us otherwise without RepairPal. It just kind of opens that door for extended warranty now with the MaxCare relationship, which creates tremendous opportunity that we didn't have even 5 years ago. Yeah, I think it brings quality car count to the system. Gives you tremendous opportunity that you probably wouldn't have done through the Google AdWords search or anything like that. These are people that are looking for repairs for their vehicle, with people that they can trust, and having the RepairPal certification behind it creates an opportunity that you wouldn't normally have. Yeah, they've been great partners. We've been with them obviously for a long time. Every location that we go into, our goal is to become RepairPal certified. Great level of communication with the management team, leadership. I would just highly recommend them to anybody.